Nocturia, frequent nighttime urination. People believe that waking up in the middle of the night to use the restroom is just a part of becoming older, says Philip van Karrebroek, editor of the Nocturia Resource Center and professor of urology at Maastricht University. People who wake up frequently during the night should consult a doctor to figure out what's causing it, because lack of sleep has serious health effects. Bathroom breaks can disrupt your sleep, which can have major consequences for your mental and physical health. Sleep deprivation affects all elements of mental performance, making it difficult to focus, remember information, and gain new skills or knowledge. Urine overproduction can cause nocturia, or the need to get up in the middle of the night to pass pee.
Thank you for watching. Hope you will like the video I created for you. Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.